Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing for you. As promised, this is the second part of my Lawn Fawn Fall release. For budget reasons, I had to split this one up. I bought all my Halloween things before, but this one is mostly my Christmas stuff. So I'm really excited to show you. All of these beautiful things you're about to see have come straight from Hobby Hoppers, my favourite place to grab my Lawn Fawn and my other craft supplies. And full disclosure, some of these crafty staples have been sent to me by Trish, as I'm doing a live show this weekend showing off a project that I have made with things from Hobby Hoppers. So they'll be in this unboxing too. So let's get started. So first off, how cute is this? I love that Lawn Fawn have brought out these bags. They are just so cute. I have so much in here to show you. This is just never ending. Okay, so there's my crafting makes me smile bag, and if that isn't me summed up, then I don't know what is. We also have some washi in here. If you don't know about Hobby Hoppers, Trish stocks the most beautiful washies. Oh, they're rolling away. And these ones are my favorites that she has stocked for Christmas. They are so gorgeous. She has done a swatching of all her new washies over on the Hobby Hoppers channel. If you're interested, I might pop that link below so that you can check it out. We also have, so these are those crafty staples I was talking about. So we've got some Uniquely Creative, which I believe is a full-on Aussie crafting brand, which I don't work with very much, but would love to check out more of their stuff. And I have some slimline card bases and envelopes here, which is super exciting because I have been cutting all of my own slimline card bases. So it's really nice to have some pre-made ones. It's going to save me a lot of time. And I also have some regular sized cards and envelopes, which is great. So I'll be using these on the weekend for that live show. We've also got some foam circles and some foam squares. And I use these in almost every project, so that is going to be very handy. We've got some hemp cord. I have been loving this brand. Trish stocks heaps of it, and there's so many different colors. I have just been using the natural one for some ornaments that I've been making for my Etsy shop lately, and the feel of it is lovely. It's very strong and sturdy, and it's just been really nice to use with some of my projects. So I'm going to be using this lovely red one this weekend at the craft show. And last out of this little bag, I have these adorable sets of watercolor pigments. I have the Starry and the Pearl. So these are the last two for my collection. We've got gem colors and opal colors, and they are beautiful. I have already opened these and played around with them a little bit, especially the purple. It is absolutely lovely, and I just love all of these. Now, I think this one I'm a little bit obsessed with, and I know that at first glance they all kind of look the same, but if I can get it in the right light, you can see that all of these, there we go, have different tones to them. They are stunning. So they're going to be a lot of fun to play with. I might use them over the weekend as well. Now for the Lawn Fawn. Some of these aren't overly exciting because there's some dies. So these are the matching dies to the Merry Mice set. I'll be using that in a project this weekend. I'll make sure I pop the link to my live crafting in about a week's time on this video so that you can have a look at it when it's all done. I'm very excited, very nervous, but I'm making a beautiful and very simple card with the Merry Mice. I can't wait to show it off. So this is going to help make things a little bit faster when I'm crafting, because I think I only have about half an hour to do the project, and this is going to save me quite a bit of time instead of fussy cutting all the little images. These ones I've already opened. I have my Lawn Fawn Fans Fall YouTube hop coming up this weekend as well. It's a busy weekend in my little crafty world, and I desperately needed these to cut out the images from the Perfectly Wicked stamp set. So far, I've mostly used it for all the little accessories. It's been very handy. There's so many of them. But also, I noticed the last time I made a card with the cats that the tails are really tricky to cut out. And I have a feeling that because these cats are so adorable, I'm going to be using this stamp set a lot. And in cases like that, I do buy the matching dies because I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of them and save myself a lot of time. So yeah, I can't wait to show you what I have made using these dies already. And again, I've used this one too. So this is the window frame. I've used it for what I would say is a Halloween card so far. I can't wait to show you that one, but I have a lovely idea for a Christmas card with this, which I'm hoping I will magically get done by next week and show you for the next Hobby Hoppers project. Here's some exciting things. Okay, so this one isn't Christmas, but I really wanted the fall leaves backdrop. This is absolutely stunning. I loved my tropical leaves one so much, and I've used it a few times already. But there's something about these leaves that I just love, and I love all the little accessories. So I'm really excited to use this one too. I also got the Magic Holiday Messages. And the only one that really doesn't work here in Queensland is the Let It Snow, but I'm sure I'm still going to make some really beautiful cards for the rest of these. And I love the details in these little extra bits and the beautiful snowflakes. They're going to be so lovely to work with. And last but not least, I finally got my hands on the Joy to All stamp set. I have been really excited to get this one. Mostly because this little one just reminds me of my daughter. If you've seen me post pictures of her on Instagram, I think you'd agree. She had a very long phase where her hair was about that length. All I have to do is stick a bow on it and it will look exactly like my girl. But I'm really excited for this because I'll be pairing it with this one for a Christmas card that I'm hoping to show you next week. So there we go. That is my second half of my Lawn Fawn haul, plus a few extra goodies that I'm really excited to use this weekend. I hope you've been having fun with all of your new Lawn Fawn things. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.